For your own peace of mind, you're going to want to make sure that you have your iPad backed up. There are two ways you can do this. You can use your USB to Lightning, so the cable that comes with your iPad to charge it. Connect it to either a Mac desktop, a PC, or a laptop of some sort, and connect your iPad to the device of your choice using that cable, opening iTunes, and syncing the contents of your iPad with iTunes. So you'll select backup and back everything up there. You will have to manually do this on a regular basis. An easier way of making sure that you have the contents of your iPad backed up is to set it to automatically back up daily using iCloud. So to do this, I'm going to tap on Settings. And if I go to General, which is right here on the left, and I select Storage and iCloud Usage, I can see how much space I have available on my iPad. So those are the top three lines under Storage, and how much space I have left in iCloud. Each Apple ID is automatically assigned 5 gigabytes of free iCloud storage space to use. So any device you have, you can log in with your Apple ID and set it to back up to iCloud using that Apple ID. Now, you can have multiple devices backing up to iCloud using the same Apple ID. However, that will eat through those 5 gigs rather quickly. So the first line tells me I have 5 gigs available, total storage. The second line tells me how much space I have available. I have 1.2 gigabytes of space available in iCloud, so I have 3.8 already used. Now if I select Manage Storage, I can see exactly what I have backing up to iCloud. I select this iPad, so that's the first one on the top, and here I can see information about my backups. I can see when my last backup was and how large it was. Underneath that, we have our backup options. So here we can select what we want to have backed up. Now by default, Apple toggles all your apps on. So it's going to back up every single app and all its associated data each and every day, unless I go through, select Show All Apps, and turn things off. Now I test a lot of apps on here, and I can turn a few off. So for example, I can turn Paper off. I can turn Learn MySQL off. I can turn a couple things off, and it will delete that from the backup. But as you can see, by default, everything is automatically toggled on. So take some time and turn things off. Now typically, your apps are listed in order of how much space they're going to take up. Your photo library is always typically going to be at the top. You can use a free app called Google Photos. It's available for download from the App Store. You get unlimited free storage space using your Tampa Prep student ID. You can log in with that and automatically have it back up all of your photos from your device to Google Drive free of charge. You get unlimited free space. This will allow you to turn off Photo Library in iCloud Backup and free up a significant amount of space, because typically with students, the thing that takes up the most space on their phones and on their iPads is the Photo Library. So I strongly encourage you to use Google Photos and turn this off in the backup. So now if I want to go through and set iCloud up, I tap on iCloud, and I am currently logged in with my Apple ID. So I can sign in by tapping that space up there. And if I go down here and tap on Backup, you can see that the first line says Backup. You want to make sure that it's green. This tells you that you have turned on iCloud Backup. Now the first time you turn on iCloud Backup, you're going to have to go out to where it says Backup Now and tap on that. So if you tap on that, you can see that it's going to calculate the amount of space it needs and estimate the remaining time. And it will automatically run in the background. please, please, please come here periodically and check and make sure that it is indeed backing up regularly. If you start running low on iCloud storage space, you will get notifications saying your storage space is low, you need more storage, blah, blah, blah. If I'm running low and I wanted to purchase additional storage rather than go through and manually clean off a bunch of stuff off my iPad, I can tap on storage here under iCloud and select buy more storage. Now for 99 cents a month, I can get 50 gigabytes of storage space. You can opt out of this at any time by contacting Apple. If I am big into making videos and whatnot, I could upgrade to 200 gigabytes worth of space or 1 terabyte of space. If you have family sharing and there's several of you with several devices, this might be a very reasonable option for your family to pursue. So that's how you get more space, and you have successfully set your iPad up to back up to iCloud. Congratulations.